using wool for predictions. You will have fun. We will study hard. He will save money. We will go fishing. The phone will ring. He will cook dinner. He will cook dinner. She will take a nap. He will write a book. We will have a party. He will win the race. He will quit smoking. She will adopt a pet. We will build a shed. She will bake a cake. They will plan a trip. It will rain tomorrow. It will be a busy day. He will catch the bus. He will buy groceries. He will call you later. The flowers will bloom. You will get a new job. It will be a sunny day. She will pass the exam. It will snow next week. We will plant a garden. She will find her keys. She will join the club. We will host the event. We will host the event. We will prepare dinner. He will finish the book. It will be cold tonight. It will be a short trip. You will receive a gift. They will watch a movie. He will get a promotion. The river will overflow. You will enjoy the show. She will become a doctor. They will arrive by noon. He will fix the computer. You will enjoy the movie. They will repair the car. The weather will be nice. You will get better soon. She will find a new hobby. You will solve the puzzle. It will be a long journey. They will paint the house. You will feel better soon. You will make new friends. The lake will freeze over. They will buy a new house. The lake will freeze over. They will buy a new house. The sun will rise at 6 a.m. She will design a website. You will find a good deal. She will clean the garage. We will hike the mountain. They will clean the house. She will travel the world. We will attend the concert. The cake will be delicious. She will sing at the event. He will move to a new city. The store will have a sale. They will start a business. They will visit the museum. It will be a quiet evening. It will be a wonderful day. The kids will play outside. You will read a great book. He will exercise regularly. They will donate to charity. We will organize the closet. They will decorate the room. The baby will start walking. They will decorate the room. The baby will start walking. It will be a surprise party. It will be a great adventure. They will sell their old car. It will be an exciting match. You will meet someone special. She will learn a new language. She will graduate with honors. It will be a challenging task. The stock market will recover. The train will arrive on time. The leaves will fall in autumn. The price of gas will increase. We will go on vacation in July. We will visit our grandparents. It will be a tough competition. They will get married next year. We will celebrate your birthday. You will succeed in your career. You will love the new restaurant. He will learn to play the guitar. It will be a memorable experience. We will finish the project on time. The team will win the championship. The team will win the championship. They will participate in the event.